Alright everybody, welcome one more time to Do More Crypto. Today is February 11th, it's 8:41 at night in the evening. Alright, so let's talk about we're going to talk about a bunch of things right now. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing in this market as far as trading my altcoins goes. First of all, the market cap. We have it at let me just refresh this really quick because might be a little old. All right, we have it at $420 billion, which is a huge drop from a couple of months ago, but we see that it means still a lot of money. It's $420 billion. In the last 24 hours, we've seen $28 billion that are being traded, making Bitcoin to almost 35% of the entire market cap. Okay, Bitcoin dropped again. It seems to be trading at around $8,700 mark. We see every single other coin going down in double digits. I mean, we see Litecoin at $134, and I don't know why I got a notification the other day saying that Litecoin was at $70. Let me see this really quick because I don't. Yeah, I don't know. My Coinbase sent me a notification saying that it was at $78. I don't know where you got that from. But anyway, going back to this, as you can see, the every single coin is pretty much double digits negative. I mean, we see Ripple is all the way back to 8 cents. It was just $4 3 weeks ago. Same thing with Ethereum. So it's a great time to be buying. What I'm trying to say is, as many of you see this as a catastrophic moment for cryptocurrency, in reality you should see this as an opportunity to buy. All right, I'm sure you've heard this before. You always buy the dip. This is the dip. Buy it. It's now. It might never be like this again. So this is a great moment for especially for the newer people that are in the cryptocurrency space, that are trying to get into the cryptocurrency space, for you guys to get into this as much as possible. Alright, let's talk about Bitcoin. We see that Bitcoin is trying to hit the support line one more time. Actually, not one more time. I'm sorry. I'm the wrong one. Let's go to the 31. It's trying to hit this support line. It hit it one more time. It's trying to get back here again to around the $8,400 mark, which is where we're seeing there's a huge support line. In the future, though, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be making videos on how to, where we can put our support lines and how we can determine where to put our resistance lines and everything else. Okay. All right. Moving on. My Bittrex account, as you can see, it is right here. It is, let me just refresh this really quick. It's standing at 0.578 Bitcoin. Now, obviously, a couple of days ago it was a little bit more. A couple of weeks ago it was even more. But as the market crashes and all the coins go down, your profit goes down with it. Here's the thing that you have to understand, though. It's not your actual profit, because as long as you have those coins in your portfolio, you don't actually lose money. The actual value of the coin can go down, but it's like having a brick of gold, right? If you have a brick of gold and the brick of gold goes for $10, if the value of gold goes down to $8, did you lose those $2, or do you still have that brick of gold? Especially in cryptocurrency, we see these fluctuations going up and down pretty much on a daily basis. So all you have to do is just wait, hold your coins. It'll come back up. What comes down has to come up. What comes up has to come down, right? So we're just going through a little bit of a phase right now. There's a lot of FUD going on, and if you watch my previous video, you'll also see that in the previous months of January for the past 2 or 3 years, we've been going through the same thing. So it's something that's expected. Now, what we do with it is pretty much what I'm about to show to you right now. Okay, so one of my coins is this coin right here, Made Safe coin, right? The last time I bought this coin was a few days ago, about 2 or 3 days ago, and it was at a 58.48 price mark. If we go to that coin today, right now actually, I bought it right around 58, which is right around here when it started moving on a sideways mark. Now it took another dip, right? We always buy the dip. Now, why am I buying this coin right now, besides the fact that it dipped? If we go to the 1 year chart, okay, the coin right now is right here. Let me put a line right here so you can see this better. Okay, I'm gonna put it as a watch yellow line right here. Okay, this is my watch. This is where the coin is right now. For the whole year, a whole 365 days, the coin has been above this point, and it's barely been above this point. All right here. See, so it's a perfect. And this was only, let me see right here, 12.5 to 12.20. So that's about 15 days, 2 weeks where it took a dip. And if you're going in this kind of thing, in this kind of investments with a long-term mentality, this is the right moment for you to buy. I mean, it's only gonna go up from here. It might even come down a little bit more. But you know what? When you make these investments in cryptocurrency, you're ready for that coin to dip down a little bit more. It could. It probably will. It probably will come down to about this mark right here. We don't care about that. We're here to make money, right? So if we go back even more, okay, where it's at right now, it hasn't been in this point since February of 2016. There you go. It's a full year. A full year it hasn't been to this point. All right. So does this mean that I have a full year now of profit? Maybe not. But you know what? If it gets to around this point right here, I'll be pretty fucking happy. Let me tell you. That will probably, I mean, I can't really tell off the top of my head. I probably have to do some calculations, but it will probably give me a really good profit, especially if Bitcoin goes up in value, right? So we're gonna go ahead and make this purchase right now. I think it's this one. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, made save. Okay. So the way I do this is, these are the bids, right? So this is where you place your bid, the price that you want to put your coin at. You look at the volume. It has a pretty low volume right now, which is great because it means that it doesn't have that much fluctuation right now, especially with everybody's so scared of the market right now. I have currently 0.043 Bitcoin available for trading. We're not going to put the full thing in just one coin. We're going to put probably just 0.01. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can buy different coins, right? So I'm going to put 0.01. We're going to come here. We're going to make this just, we want to be the most expensive one. It's just rule of thumb for me personally. I always go 2 numbers above and just buy it, confirm it, and it's already placed. Okay, it's placed at 49.39, and if you see somebody already went more expensive than we did, that's okay. All right, doesn't mean that it's not a competition. That's just how much I'm willing to pay for it, and that's just how much I want to go. Now if we go to the chart, 49.39, let's go to the 30-minute chart really quick. 49.39, my coin is being bought at this mark right here. All right, so it's not what the coin is at right now. It's probably going, it might take a little bit of a dip, or usually when it gets to a point like this, somebody always like just sells you the coin for no reason, and I'll take it, and I'll be more than happy to take it. This is an awesome coin. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm heavily invested in this coin already. If we go to the actual wallet, I'm actually in it right now. My made safe coin has 0.10. So a tenth of a Bitcoin invested into this coin, which means if it doubles up, I went up to 0.2, which means if it affects this, it definitely affects this, and if the price of Bitcoin goes up, this goes up with it, which is just a beautiful thing. You just have to wait. You have to be patient. All right, patience is a virtue, and you definitely have to have it. Let's move on to the next coin, Potcoin. Okay, Potcoin is one of those coins where I don't really mind too much if it goes up or down, because I just want to have it. I know what it's for. I believe in it, and I think it's definitely something that we can use in the future. Okay, so let's see where Potcoin is right now. Okay, if you look at the RSI, is currently, why is this like this? This looks weird. Let me put this up a little bit. All right, whatever. It's at right here. Okay, so this is. Let's go to the 1 year really quick. Boom. Okay, it's right here. Okay. It hasn't gone down too much, like enough for me to say, okay, let's just dump more money into it. Okay, I already bought it at a pretty good price. It's here right now. I already have an alert set right here, which means if it comes down to around this area right here, then I'll definitely buy more. Move on to the next coin. Let's see if we can do one more really quick. GNO coin. Let me see right here. Let's go. I'm gonna go to the 30-minute. All right. Yeah. Okay, so check out this coin. Right, this coin is called Capricorn CPC. Right. Let's go to the full year. Look where this coin is right now. All right. I'm barely invested in this coin as it is right now, and it kept going down, which means it might even come down all the way over here, but it'll just bounce back, and I can definitely sell it right here, right here, right here, or right here. I'll probably sell it in different terms, and we'll make a video about that in the future. Okay, as it stands right now, it's at 57.43. Let's go to this coin, CPC, right here. Okay, last time I bought it at 70.16. Since then, it's dropped down to 57.49. Has a really low volume. We're gonna do the same thing. 45, 0.02, buy crappy coin, and we just keep getting our pockets for altcoins just heavier and heavier and heavier. Okay, why? Because the day that, which should be coming right around the corner, if you guys see my older videos, you guys will see it right around. You guys will see that is coming right around the corner. Okay, the day that Bitcoin decides to just kind of flip this whole thing around and start going back up. If it doesn't, that's fine. We just keep buying and we keep adding. You have to believe what you're invested in. You can't just invest in things hoping to make money. Do a little bit of research. The fact that you're watching these videos right now is a good. It means that you are on the right track. At least you're doing a little bit of research. I spent at least 6 months every single night, not being able to go to sleep next to my wife, just watching videos, reading articles, and learning about what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. Now, I'm not telling you that I know everything about it, but this is just what I believe. Now, I personally believe, like I said, that this is a time to be buying, not to be selling. Buy. And the things that you've bought, hold them. Hold them and get ready, because when this turns around, as you can see, it looks like it's about to start turning around. When this turns around, if you have one Bitcoin today and $8,600, and at the end of the year that Bitcoin is worth $40,000, you just made $31,400 in 1 year. That's a full year. People work 40 hours a week to make that kind of money, and this is something that you can just do, just chilling at home doing nothing. All right. At the same time, trading it can duplicate that money and triple it and just multiply it as much as you're willing to put in the work. With that being said, this is what I think we should do right now. I'm gonna go into more depth into this kind of videos in the future. Let me just check out if we. Oh, there you go. We actually bought one. CPC was actually bought. Look, right here, 57.45. So somebody actually sold it to me, which is awesome. And it's still the same price, 57.45. Amazing. Which means that if we go to my wallet, we'll see over here my CPC. I'm actually invested into it already, 0.036. All right, it's not a lot, but it's a good way to start. These coins like this that take, oh, there you go. This is actually the coin that I just bought. These coins that take those double digits dumps, they'll come back up. So if you buy these dips at a good price, man, you're just gonna see your Bitcoin doubling and tripling in a matter of time. You just have to give it time. Meanwhile, follow us on Instagram at Do More Crypto. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and all that stuff. We have a lot more videos coming your way, guys. There's a lot more stuff. If you guys want anything specific, please make sure you guys drop a comment. If not, if you guys like this video, you guys want to see more of what we're doing, please like this video. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. Make sure you guys are holding those coins. Peace.